Look at the stress fractures here on the main spar. And the telemetry data is completely gone from the drive.
Locking it down now. Keep it steady, we're clear on the left. Okay, easy down. Set it right there.
Look at the charring here. It suggests a much higher impact temperature than estimated.
The scorch marks are lifting well here. Yeah, but look at the composite damage on the wing.
Look at the stress fractures around the intake. I'm recording the data now. It's consistent with the simulation.
The scorching is extensive on the underside, but the structure seems sound.
What about the dent near the wingtip? Is the wiring compromised?
We are running diagnostics now.
The primary spar is compromised here. The laser scan confirms the depth.
The stress analysis shows we might be able to patch it without...
Heat shrink applied and continuity confirmed.
The readings are stable now. Let's get this panel secured.
Scan complete. All indicators are nominal on this panel.
Good. The schematics match the expected values post-repair.
The alignment is slightly off on panel 7. Maintain current temperature.
The alignment on the starboard side is confirmed.
Readings match the specifications. We are good to proceed.
The structural integrity looks good based on the scan results. We are clear for sign-off.
Confirmed. The heat signature is well within nominal parameters.
Check the alignment on this panel. Reading nominal. Landing gear is fully secured.
Sensor readings confirm full stealth capability on the fuselage. Excellent. Final sign-off initiated.
The gloss reading is exactly on specification here.
Confirmed. The finish is flawless. I am logging the data now.
All systems are green for rollout. Navigation lights are fully operational.
The radar absorbent coating is flawless. All systems checked out green.
Confirmed. The X-47B is ready for flight testing.
After years in development, the stealth prototype finally sees the light of day.